song. I'm gonna get this whole thing, and you know, it's called Loudspeaker.
Yeah,
and
but the problem is they might delete. Okay, we might not be able to post.
This will be ours then.
Okay, cool.
This is important, and I won't do it so loud. But it's a new song. I heard it last night at Starbucks by somebody called a band called Muna. The album is About You, and the song is called Loudspeaker, and it's got this like 80s vibe. It's so cool. Every time I love myself, it hurts your feelings. Still learning the words.
Yeah. Yep. Here we go.
And I'm
Mrs. T's driving. Hang on, people. Buckle your seatbelt.
I got a comment from the other mom. She goes, "Oh, it's really German in there." She's like a German.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's like it's my only solace. It's like it's like I get my kids. Sorry, I'm getting makeup because like when you're in the car and you're like, wow, I haven't been that close to my face all day. It's scary. So I figured since I have a second. Love this song. And I also need to do my brows.
Like her one.
Yeah. She's like revolution.
Yeah.
My makeup routine.
Love it.
This is my lifesaver. I love this part.
Community coffee?
What? I know. What?
Is it community coffee?
Yeah, community coffee. I thought you were laughing.
Cheers.
Because I was thinking about going for coffee. I don't know what she's saying, but it's like
She's feeling it. So am
you look so cute.
Darn, I left my purse in my bag and everything at the house.
What do you need?
Oh well, I didn't know we were stopping.
I don't know. Either did I.
Cool.
I had a thought. That's why I put this stuff in the fridge.
It's alright.
'Cause I needed a break from that freaking fridge. You know, I need some inspiration.
Make that face again.
So good.
So good.
So good.
Love it.
So, I wonder if I'm gonna have to write some music for our vlogs. We'll have the kids write it. You know what I mean? Because like we gotta have music.
Yeah, because we might get. I hope they don't ban this because of it.
Oh, this is called Mended. Did you hear this one too? Vera Blue.
Yeah, I listened to that one. Sad.
I can't. It is sad.
Sad one. It's okay.
Stay with. Please keep loving me. I'll be good. Whew. This one. Oh, I don't know if I sent this to you because I caught a portion of it. Oh, this. I was looking at new music. And then I was like, let me hear it. And it's so freaking deep. It's like a really cool song, but it's like
To
help me see myself clearer. I saw the devil in the mirror. Never meant to start a fire. Yikes. And the video is like he looks suicidal. Listen. He's like, I'll be a better man today. I'll be good. So this is what this is the blip I got. I'm like, I'll be good, I'll be good. it sounds cool and like, so I was like, then you listen to the context, and I was like,
that I never could.
See, like if you just heard I'll be good, and then, but then it starts off and it's like, whoo!
My past has tasted bitter.
Like,
for years
if you didn't have the context of the first line, it just would sound like a sad song. Anyways, I still downloaded it, but then I heard the whole thing and I was like,
I've been cold, I've been merciless.
like this sounds like a real, like I love, so it was a singer-songwriter, so every once in a while I'll go into the iTunes store and listen to all the singer-songwriters and just get new music, or like, because I really love to know about new artists or
Trying to rest my arm.
oh yeah, up. Can you
Without
up my best angle? I'm just kidding.
Without my, what do you call that?
Tripod. Look, all the light I should shut up. For all the innocent. Yeah, but it's like.
I think that's why I can only handle happy music, because it takes me to a place.
I know, but this is like, don't you need to sometimes be in touch with this crap?
I don't want to be in touch with this.
But that's the grief. Like for all the sparks that I stomped out, that you have to come to terms with that. You know? That's like forgiving yourself. I mean, I don't know. I'm just, it's not about living there, but you have, it's like, you have to be willing to go there and battle it out, cry it out, and get the ugly cry, and then, you know, just get it out. It's like, especially if you have like, you don't know why you're crying. It's like, okay, it's time. Because I think it starts to make a person crazy. You can't, if you just keep that stuff, that big stuff in.
I feel like I am all cried out though. I mean.
Well, I know what you're saying, and that's good. It's like a muscle though. It's like, but then it wells up again because you have a lot of tears that haven't been cried. So, like, and that's okay. And there might,
It's okay.
Hashtag issues.
Don't worry. I'm gonna do something about it.
Anywhoosies. I was like getting into some new music, but then there's some good upbeat. So I'll get you some upbeat stuff. Jacob, I know. Listen to this. This is Jacob's new favorite.
Hey, I have a suggestion for Jacob.
Yeah.
Amtrak. AMTRAK.
You want him to take the train?
It's a group. It's really,
cool.
He would really like it, I think.
Cool.
I don't know. Check it out. I just found it last night.
Cool.
I added their video to my Happy Beats channel on my YouTube.
I downloaded this whole album. There's the principal. Hey, Mr. What's Your Face? There you go. You'll get in trouble for this. Like on the.
Yeah, they're gonna flag us for this.
But aren't you glad it's after I'll be good, I'll be good, I'll be good? You would have seen that video, you would have been like, ah! Like in a bag. Like black and white and grainy. Not.
Fasten your seatbelts, everyone. Miss T is driving the car.
Do I have to keep my eyes on the road or what? Or should I'm just gonna maintain eye contact with
Yeah, you just look I'll smile at the people.
No, I want to smile too.
Smile and drive. Smile and
I
drive.
always try to see if I can find mayonnaise.
Bye, guys.
What's he wearing today? He loves Seriously, I mean, this kind of thing, like, I have a keyboard. That's all it is.
Yeah, we can do
Synthesize
it.
music.
We'll make our own music. So that way they'll stop banning our videos. Because everybody's out there dying to see all of our videos. We've got like thousands of
people are
YouTube
lining
viewers.
up. People are lining up, and I'm
We
like,
have
listen,
thousands.
you guys, they're like, please do a new one, and I'm like,
Here.
guys, we live actual lives, you know? We have so many demands that I'm now taking the vlogs into the bathroom with me. You know, people want to see that stuff.
Yeah.
Especially because of my deodorant cleanse. I got a lot of questions about that. How's your deodorant cleanse going? Deodorant. My deodorant is, first of all, it's deodorant. Second of all, it's going great. First 2 hours, no problem. All right, so here's what I think.
How much time on this? Yep.
I think we should stop that
Yep.
and come up with a game plan.
Bye, everybody. Have a good day.